Patisting ঢালাই দিব তাই আঙ্কেল বাবা আঙ্কেল this is the product খুশি পাথর thank you so much very beautiful this is looking eye oh my god ওই মা গুড
প্রতিদিন এইভাবে আমাদের রাস খাওয়া খুব ভালো লাগে yes yes
Hello， 大家好，我是大头，欢迎收看新一期的视频。在这个视频开始前呢，我再次替我们在孟加州的好兄弟卡卡，感谢所有看我们视频的这个兄弟姐妹们、朋友们。前两天呢，我跟卡卡我跟他打了一个视频，聊了很长时间，聊了这个房子什么时候盖完呀？这房子盖完之后，大家好好休息一下，我也想早日把房子盖好。然后第二点的话，就是这个房子的预算现在还剩多少吧？卡结果说给我一个 surprise， 加上我之前给他就是说的这个视频收益，他预估着这个房子盖好之后还能剩个几万块，等我们结婚的时候给我们。哎呀，这个真的是除了一些基本上要花费的之外，看卡这段时间盖房子，卡真的是能省则省了。因为我对房子一窍不通，很多朋友建议啊，就是说这个房子到时候要楼顶啊，要做防水啊什么的。卡他们是本着他们当地大部分都这样的，就能省则省，就防水什么都不做的，这一省一点那省一点，能省下来不少钱。到时候等我们结婚的时候给我们。我说真的，你不能再这样省了啊！这个房子要好好的盖下去，好好的盖好。所以说，他接下来的话也是按照很多朋友们专业人士给的建议啊，这个防水接下来什么都要做，都要弄好。所以说我在这里也感谢大家给我们这个盖房子的所有的建议啊。然后我们一起收看今天的视频吧。
Hello 大家好我是嘎嘎 Let's go Super Hi মা
মশলা লাগছে
সালা বাড়ি চাও আদা রসুন জিরা মশলা wow good মিঠে ये মাখালো everyone good morning Pagoma
mama
are you okay
okay
congratulations no problem don't worry okay it is you looking okay it is no big job it is good okay this good feel okay this little job okay no problem nice okay go to job হ্যাঁ ইয়ে রোল করতে পারে কিন্তু ওটা না ডিসাইড ছাদে কি ডিসাইড করছেন মানে কোন ছাদে
ওই সব শুনতেছি
মানে এটা ক্লিন করবেন আর কি হ্যাঁ ওয়াও Pagoma okay
okay
finish 74 piece almost finished just for this I'm just opening for this 5 piece just wait this product almost this company almost new this opening right triangle 4 view job start 4 view job lelo vivo lelo vivo this no this happy 6 view this very good nice okay congratulations everyone nice Pagoma you number 1 be careful okay this side almost no finishing job what are this space finishing job stuff is very good it is no job you talking okay this problem this go to this home this bed rest okay
okay
this one day you can tell me this very good feel if this job come here okay take care bye okay Habib triangle home almost other side this job start for this 2 days this is almost a job triangle good triangle nice my angle almost this charge almost leg by for this down for almost come here just for looking at this but everyone is a very good job showing them green this almost clean okay this finishing job open water this almost opening just for this inside almost water opening almost water this outside this use wow so nice
ওখানে ফুলের টপ রাখবেন দেখা যাবে
wow yes Pagoma okay Pagoma zinda follower this almost opening beautiful
yes
okay Pagoma okay thank you nice I was same Pagoma for skin okay nice Pagoma are you okay job is start every time just for looking tie ankle almost this side almost clean okay this same talking is almost no this strong job okay Pagoma you can try me this job okay this open okay no problem Pagoma talking this job okay this good okay good very good but this my name almost area this very beautiful this weather every family just for looking wow just for wow beautiful this is almost a neuro food looking 6 people almost a Habib for this problem this almost মানসিক ভাবে this সুস্থতা না আর কি, হ্যাঁ অসুস্থতা। 5 people job, হ্যাঁ পগমা? নাইস, গুড। টিফিন খাওয়া, এভরি গাইস টিফিন খাওয়া। কেক।
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Nice. Pagoma. Yeah. What is my choice? This my karaoke. If you this size karaoke. Thai uncle. Okay. Yes. Good. Thank you so much.
Happy birthday.
Nice.
Good.
Wow. Very fair. Nice. Look at this almost opening. Beautiful. Very beautiful. Nice. Wow. Oi ma. 6 to 7 this side almost a job. Side is almost a new. This side almost a opening. Very beautiful. Nice. Good. This part is no finishing clean job.
মাল লাগা রাউন্ড একবারই করে দাও।
Okay. Nice. New. Good. Bhagavan is same. Bhagavan is I did a very good job. Everyone is very beautiful looking, right? Nice. Yes, Bhagavan, I know. Everyone is a very good job. My name almost from side is almost Asman view is very fair and I'm quite very like almost opening like this video. Every just for this is almost this set almost a fish. Everyone is a fish. Is looking okay. Wow. Thank you so much. Dhanyabad. This baby almost looking very beautiful. Wow, Pagoma. Very beautiful. Pagoma, what is that? Ki diben? Chikna diben?
Yes.
Cutting diben na?
大家是不是好奇墙面怎么刷得这么平？铺上水泥之后，用木棍大面积扫平，然后用湿度高一点的水泥铺在表面，来回按压紧实一点，然后换上我们的打磨工具，就这样不停地刷啊刷啊刷，局部地方再这样来回操作，不停地刷，凭着多年的技巧，快速打磨平整。
Grilling দিয়ে দিচ্ছেন না Pagoma?
Yes.
Almost this for this grilling is opening. Pagoma almost for this finishing.
大家都在安静细心地处理每个角落。
Good. Nice. Huh? Thai uncle go to this 2 floor, 3 floor. 3 floor. Okay, okay. Wow. New. Wow. Just for this, wow. Clean. Can almost weather is a close time, but this is almost not this sure, but almost weather is very black. Every side is theme. This calculation is almost opening. Very good. Yes. Okay. Opening for this assessment. Very. Black okay for this almost close okay. Almost every year I will okay and it's almost opening. Thali this a very good job. Thali this almost Pagoma come here. Very khushi amra ki. Nice. Thali this almost 2 side almost finishing job okay. Okay, every guys. Bye. Everyone, good morning, Thai uncle, this side job start. Habib come here, Thada. Habib, are you okay?
Right, okay.
Hi, Abdul, good morning. Khali gao kya no? What is yes, Thada almost this side finishing job start. Very good, beautiful. This side almost okay. Very fair. Thada, how much people? Koiজন job hocche?
6 people.
Oh, good. Thai uncle, Thada morning time very hot weather, huh?
Very hot.
Oh Maya. Hi looking, দেখে hello everything okay আছে
কমছে মেলা কমছে
ভালো হইছে আর কি মানে গুড হইছে আর কি একটু okay this is for this shuttering almost positioning this almost opening thada Thai uncle nice wow here family just looking wow hoy ma good very strong no
লাগিছে
railing job ta doate ha yes
বছরা করে হলাইছে
Yes, Pagoma. Almost Pagoma. This is injury. This go to this absent job. Almost. Yes. Thai uncle. This is almost this railing job ready, huh? Very strong, huh? খুব সুন্দর হয়েছে তো ইনশাআল্লাহ। Okay, Bhagavan, nice. Strong হয়েছে? Okay, Bhagavan, nice. Good, good. This product? ले लो this product almost. Oh, very important. This floor da আপনার এই জিনিসটা দেয়া job very important. This 90 safety. Okay, this looking okay তাই uncle. Thate this almost important তাই uncle. This product almost job this opening. This floor. This almost opening. This opening space almost very big. This is soil. This very big water. Almost padding. This is a job. This almost very important. Everybody say job okay. I this go to my shower. Okay, তাই uncle. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. Very fair. My name almost this product almost looking. This almost a padding dhalai. This almost a kusi. This Thai uncle, Pogo uncle, same talking. Thai uncle, মোটামুটি আল্লাহর বয়স কত চলছে আপনার uncle? 70 72 72 Oh my god, good. Very strong Thai uncle. This is the same. Almost a 3 bag opening, okay. Good product. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Almost a 7 bag. How much? 1200 টাকা 1200 টাকা শুনে যাবে। This almost a 7 bag. Just look into my MG. This almost opening for this Thai uncle almost a business. Thank you for how much looking. 1200 টাকা 1200 টাকা, huh? But this my video opening. My Chinese friend looking. No problem. No problem. Good. Thank you so much. Thank you almost no problem. Okay, Thai uncle. Bye bye. My uncle is almost opening for this product almost I go to my new home job. This is almost a view this sister view this opening. Nice. How are you? Shodro, are you okay? Nice. Padding dhalai dibo tai uncle Baba uncle this is the product. Pusi patot Shodro for this business almost opening. Very good. Aya Pogoma tai uncle everybo. Hi Pogoma. You looking this product okay naki? Hey Mali boss. Yes. This is almost this product. Like by go to this 2 floor. This almost job is start. Okay. Bhaiya, how much? Koto dimo? One bag this 20 taka. How much? This 20 taka one bag. Almost 140 taka. Okay, thank uncle. For this okay, thank you. Bye bye. Ki অবস্থা? Very hot power. No problem. Every guys almost this lelo this rest okay for this tiffin khai start okay. Hade ki padding job chalu korben. Thank you so much for this video. Pieranga very good job suni debe. Water. Big hot weather but water opening, huh? It's almost opening this water other side. Don't take almost water. Last is 20 bag time here. Almost 4 bag. And almost room time here. This product no problem. Taula, hi ma. Wow. My new home this lunch ready. Thank you ma.
Okay.
Ki ran this iska ma?
Guru mangsho.
Tatami. For this almost neuro beef. Wow. Koi ma. Thank you so much ma. Dhanyabad. Bye bye. This almost looking. Sit down again. Okay. Stop. Sit down. Okay, Baba. Bye. Yes. Hi. Bye.
Uncle, bye.
Bye. Dun. 40 minutes is water opening, huh? Almost weather is very good, huh?
Okay.
Yes. Tami khawa start. Almost looking to my MG is almost opening. Very good. মোটামুটি ইনশাআল্লাহ বৃষ্টি ওয়াটার ইজ আ প্রবলেম yeah this safety okay Bhagwan okay yes like করে কোন আমার তাতে অলমোস্ট আর বিফ খাওয়া Bhagwan কি মজো ওপেন করিচ্ছে না because my mother almost near this potato every year just by looking at this Bhagwan this ugly this খাওয়া হবে Every this almost Tamil start. No problem, Papa.
প্রতিদিন এইভাবে আমাদের লাঞ্চ খাওয়া খুব ভালো লাগে। Yes.
Yes. Thank you so much, Thai uncle.
এবং
Thank you so
খাবারগুলো খুব সুন্দর সুন্দর মানের খাবার।
Thank you so much, Thai uncle, for this talking. Fission Kashi, I hope Fission Kashi. Very happy. Big happy.
আমরাও খুশি।
I this almost talking. I this almost you can try me. আমি আল্লাহর কাছে দোয়া করি যেন আল্লাহ আমাকে আরো ভালো কিছু জন্য।
আমরাও হ্যাপি। আমরাও
Thank you so much. একসাথে ব্রাদার। Kawa. Imagine, just for looking, I'm got this almost opening for this. Here this Tamil this water almost opening from side. All everything this Tamil this Jinda very good. Almost this very big this proudful. But my brother Talu Shadu biggest small. Very miss you, brother. Just for looking, I'm got this almost opening. Just for looking. Shunima Jema, this is almost my new from Sakisa home. Hi brother, Kajol. Bhaiya bhalo achen apni? Good. Nice. Marsan. Fish marte gechilo Shunima Jema almost this baby very good. Hello. Almost opening for this. Hello, this baby almost looking tummy is very fair and nice. Wow. Nice. Yes, Magoma. I am very okay. Delivery, huh? Outgoing this water passing. Nice. Good. Look into my. Wow, Koima. Thank you so much. Very beautiful. This looking eye. Oh my God. Thank you. Very good job. Wow. Thai uncle. Magoma. Oh, good. Nice. Chalo me, I'm going to opening. Very good. Yeah, Shunima Jaya just nice. This is the leg by almost down floor. Wow. Okay, Magoma Thai uncle. Nice. Wow. Dun. Very piaranga job. For this every almost night job. Magoma Thai uncle. Almost every is a very piaranga job. Job is okay. Almost job occasion is almost. Bye. We are family just for looking this front side almost open space. This is a very strong. Just for this looking this right side almost job is almost no this okay. We are family just for looking at this almost open. Very beautiful, strong. No problems in there.